Hi sir, I'm Ishan Bhadeja along with my friend Sukhwinder Singh are here to present a case on ASIC which is Lindsberg 2012. In this case, first of all I would like to tell what does ASIC means. It stands for Australian Securities and Investment Commission and Lindsberg was the director of Australian Wheat Board. In this case, Judge Robson of Supreme Court of Victoria made a declaration of contravention under Section 1317 of the Corporation Act in respect of each of four, admitted a contravention of former Australian Wheat Board Managing Director Andrew Lindsberg and banned him from managing a corporation until 14 September 2014. Fined him around $1 lakh for his delays in informing his board about Australian Wheat Board wheat trade with Iraq and the misuse by Australian Wheat Board of the Oil for Food program administered by the United Nations. After this, I would like to tell about the laws and rules of the Australian Wheat Board system. First law and rule was Division 1 of Part 2(1). Leaded general duties begins with Section 180 dealing with care and diligence. Second, it is followed by Section 181 dealing with good faith. Third rule was Section 182 use of position and Section 183 use of information. There is no criminal provision dealing with care and diligence. Fourth, nevertheless, breach of Section 180(1) may give rise to civil penalties. A court may order a person to pay a Commonwealth of pecuniary penalty of up to $2 lakh if a declaration of contravention by the person has been made under Section 1317E. The contravention is of a corporation scheme civil penalty provision and the contravention maternity prejudices the interest of the corporation of scheme or its members. Maternity prejudices the corporation ability to pay its creditors. Fault must be attributed to a body corporate that expressly facilitate or implicitly authorize or permitted the commission of the offence. The means by which authorization or permission may be established include proving that the body corporate failed to create and maintain a corporate culture that required compliance with the relevant provision. Now I will hand over the further case to Mr. Sukhwinder Singh.
Okay, I want to explain what is the reason behind this case. Under the contract for the sale of the wheat to Iraq, AWB would be paid for the wheat is provided from the money released from the UN escort account. AWB would present to the relevant UN authority the contract for the sale of the wheat to Iraq and the UN would release from the escort account the sales of the price to AWB. If the OIP was satisfied, all was in order, the money for the inland transportation fee were included in the sale price of the wheat. The consequence of this transaction was the UN escrow account was being misused. Money was being obtained from the escrow account other than for the medical supplies and the food stuff, and the Iraq region was receiving the hard currency in the breach of UN sanction. If they had understood and applied their mind to the financial statement and recognized the importance of their task, then each director would have questioned each of the matter, and each director in the reviewing financial statement indeed needed to inquiry further into the matter relevant by those statements. In the conclusion, this case indicates that the director of acting in the capacity of managing director of chief executive should have high alert to investigate any potential descriptions of wrongdoing. Mr. Lindberg, who is behind this case, are found guilty to breach a law and show the negligence and not inform to AWB for the matter on the time. That's why he should be guilty and pay $1 lakh to AWP. That is the end of our case. Thank you.
Thank you so much.